kinky. That might be a little stinky. But as long as you having fun, you only do it with that special one. Or two, depends on you. Now here's this lady here in the dress.
What? It's spaceless. It's spaceless. It's spaceless.
That's her, that would kind of hurt. Now everyone, they say I'm crazy, but I work hard and I ain't lazy. I think it's clear and it's not easy. I appreciate that case. This guy thinks he's a cutie. Came over here shaking his booty. Well, it is my duty to say that is not a beauty. In the blue, it's good to see you coming through. For all the hard work you do, I have to make a rhyme just for you. Because it must be a hard job trying to stop people from trying to rob. It's a job that never stops. Must be tough to be a cop. But because you're a service, sir, I'm not quite so nervous. Because you got courage and class, and you get here really fast. When I make a lot of cash, I need someone to protect my ass.
And I know the Detroit Lions suck! Woo! It's crazy.
At least they not cheap. Not everyone, they say I'm crazy, but I work hard and I ain't lazy. I think it's clear and it's not hazy. I appreciate those who pays me. And that lady walking there, don't just walk by and stare. Come on over and be my friend. Maybe you throw me some in. See if you throw in a buck. Lady, you'll have good luck. You won't get hit by a truck and your husband will take you home. Are y'all married? Oh, I'm sorry, mister. I didn't know that was your cousin or your sister. I promise I never kissed her. I was worried I'd get a blister. I was just playing. Only listen what I be saying. Now that little kid, he looks so cool.